So the main problem is that the protein that located at the cyst of the Golgi apparatus is malfunction, right? So the main function of that protein X is to receive vesicles, right? So when the Golgi apparatus cannot receive the vesicles, it cannot produce the vesicles to give it out of the cell. Okay? So here's the thing: from the organelle, which is the Golgi apparatus, no protein X. It causes no protein produced, no protein, there is no hormone produced. So when there's no this protein X, there's no protein X in this cell, it couldn't secrete these hormones. These hormones actually menggalakkan penghasilan untuk pembesaran tulang. The tulang is, that is why, let's see, let me refill my phone first, okay? Okay. From the question you can see the chondrocyte and the osteoblast. The osteoblast is actually the baby bone cell. So the baby bone cell has to grow to be mature bone cell, right? But without this hormone, it cannot be mature. So that is why this baby has no limbs, no bone, right? So no mature bone cell. So from this, it causes this baby to have difficulty in respiratory system.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Naziha.